A subscriber improved one of my strategy indicators and it's awesome. Let's get into it. In a previous video I showed off a trading strategy that uses a machine learning indicator to make profits. The main part of that strategy is an indicator called machine learning Lorentzian classification. Let's add it. Easiest way to add it is to type in machine learning on the indicator tab. Add this indicator right here. This is what the indicator will look like when you add it. It's very messy with default settings. In the previous video we changed a few settings to improve it, but a subscriber has found another way that could really help improve your win rates. If you have any strategy ideas you'd like me to test, please message me on Instagram, the link is in the description. Let's get into it. For this method to work we are going to first untick all the options listed in the indicator settings. Just like that. Leave the kernel regression estimate ticked. We are going to change this. We are going to want to change the indicator from lines to columns. Let's check it out. You can see that the indicator looks a lot different now. You can see the indicator shows columns in green and red. This is a great visual for trending price and can work very well for catching nice big moves. You could use this as a part of the original full strategy system. Add it to your own method, or another way would be to use this alongside your strategy on a higher time frame. You can see some of the moves are massive. With a method that avoids choppy markets this could be powerful, but I don't recommend only using this indicator alone as you might get stopped out a lot. Using this indicator as a reference on higher time frames could work well, only taking sells when the 1 hour columns are red for example. This will all depend on what time frame you trade personally. Adding the TDI or RSI indicator to your chart could really help you grab those nicer entries or safer exits. Or even using the chandelier exit indicator for entries. But that wraps this video up. Please check this out for yourself and test it yourself. If you have any questions or want me to test a strategy, please message me on Instagram. If you want to see the full AI trading strategy, the link is in the description, or check out this video right here. Thank you.